Hey everyone, Josh here with this week's Safety Center update. Construction season is here and I need to talk about how we handle it. A quick reminder that International Roadcheck is now only 3 weeks away and inspectors will be watching for violations, and construction zones are high-risk areas where violations can happen. So let's be prepared. But more importantly, construction zones are where accidents can happen and where workers can get hurt and where our productivity gets destroyed if you are not paying attention. So something to start with that is simple that all drivers should be doing every single day is planning your route before you roll out. If you have free time, use the free tools available right now that tell you exactly where construction is on your route. Any state you are in, you can dial 511 and you will get a real-time road condition and construction zone and closure report. The Federal Highway Administration also has a website that links to every state's 511 system. Apps like Trucker Path, Google Maps, and Road Hunter will give you real-time construction alerts before you leave. Use these tools. Know where construction is before you get there. You can plan alternate routes and adjust your schedule accordingly. But planning your route is not the only part of being prepared. This week, Zach and I had a chance to audit a truck, and we found a driver who did not have his hammer in the truck. So what does this mean? If you do not have a hammer, you are not doing your pre-trip inspections properly. If you can't tap the tires, you cannot do the job correctly. But beyond that, the truck was an absolute mess. Loose items in the bunk, stuff rolling around on the floor. If you hit the brakes hard or swerve to avoid something, those loose items become projectiles. They can hit you, they can jam under your pedals, and they can cause an accident. Your truck should be organized, and you need to have the basic tools to do your pre-trip correctly. A hammer, a flashlight, gloves, and a crowbar. These supplies are available at the shop and at any truck stop you stop at. They are inexpensive, but they are vital to your safety and the safety of everyone else on the road. If you do not have them, get them. If your truck is a mess, clean it up. Now, let me talk about why construction zones matter. Nearly 30% of fatal work zone crashes involve large trucks. We are more likely to be involved in serious accidents in construction zones than passenger cars. Safety and productivity are the same thing. The safest drivers are the most productive. And I haven't even mentioned the workers in these construction zones. Those people you see in the orange vest standing on the side of the road are doing their jobs. They have families waiting for them at home. Last year, 43% of work zone crashes resulted in worker injuries or fatalities. When you blow through a construction zone at full speed or ignore the posted signs, you are putting their lives at risk. They are out there building and fixing the roads that you drive on every single day. So slow down, move over, and give them the space and respect that they deserve. Reduced speed limits are laws, not suggestions. Merge early when lanes are closed. Do not be the driver who rides the closing lane just to the last second and forces your way in. Move over for workers and for equipment. Don't use your cruise control. Increase your following distance and pay attention. Work zones have constant speed changes, lane shifts, and traffic that breaks suddenly. Our stopping distance makes that a dangerous situation for us. Every violation you get in the construction zone makes it harder for this company to operate profitably. So let's plan your routes ahead of time. Let's use resources that are available, and let's make sure your truck is ready, and let's follow the signs. If we do all of these things correctly, we protect the workers and you stay productive. So that's all for this week. Thank you for all that you do. Stay safe, and I'll see you out there.